Exercise 5.3, question number 5, standard 12. Find dy by dx if x square plus xy plus y square is equal to 100. Okay. So, what is derivative of x square with respect to x? 2x plus this is product of two function. So, what is derivative of product of two function? First function as it is, derivative of the second function plus second function as it is, derivative of the first function. So, x as it is, derivative of y with respect to x dy by dx plus y as it is, derivative of x with respect to x is 1. Plus what is derivative of y square with respect to x? It is in the form of fx raised to n. What is derivative of x raised to n? N into fx raised to n minus 1 into f dash x. So derivative of y square will be 2 into y raised to 2 minus 1, that is 1, into derivative of y with respect to x is equal to derivative of 100, that is constant. Derivative of constant is 0. So from here we have to collect the dy by dx terms one side. So dy by dx common, what will get? Here x plus here 2y is equal to y into 1 y, that will go to that side, so minus y, plus 2x will go to that side, so minus 2x. We want to find out dy by dx, so dy by dx is equal to minus common from here 2x plus y upon this will be what? X plus 2y. So this is the dy by dx. Now question number 6, find dy by dx x cube plus x square y plus xy square plus y cube is equal to 81. Okay, so what is derivative of x cube? 3x square. Again, this is the product of two function. First function x square as it is, derivative of y with respect to x dy by dx, plus y as it is, derivative of x square 2x, plus this is the product of two function again. So x as it is, derivative of y square 2y dy by dx, 2y dy by dx, plus y square as it is, derivative of x with respect to x 1, plus derivative of y cube, again it is in the form of fx raised to n. So 3 into y raised to 3 minus 1, that is 2, into dy by dx is equal to derivative of 81, that is constant. Derivative of constant is 0. So again collect dy by dx term first, second and third. Okay, so when we take dy by dx common, what you are getting? X square, and here 2xy, and there 3y square. Remaining terms you send to that side, so you will get minus 3x square minus 2xy minus y square. So finally dy by dx is equal to, you take minus common, you will get 3x square plus 2xy plus y square upon what? X square plus 2xy plus 3y square. So this is the dy by dx. Now question number 7, find dy by dx sin square y plus cos of xy is equal to pi. Now sin square y means it is a composite function, derivative of the composite function. First of all, this is sin square y, I can write sin y the whole square. Now fx raised to n, what is the derivative of fx raised to n? 2 into fx raised to n minus 1, that is 2 minus 1, 1 into derivative of sin y. What is derivative of sin? Again it is a composite function, sin y. Derivative of sin y will be cos y into derivative of y with respect to x dy by dx, plus cos of xy, again it is a composite function. What is the derivative of cos xy? Minus sin of xy into derivative of xy, into derivative of xy. What is derivative of xy? X as it is, derivative of y with respect to x dy by dx, product of two function, plus y as it is, derivative of x is 1, is equal to derivative of constant is 0. Derivative of constant is 0. Pi is a constant, derivative of constant is 0. So here I will get 2 sin y cos y, I can write sin 2y, okay, 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta, into dy by dx. This will be minus sin of xy into x into dy by dx, minus this into this, that is minus y into sin of xy. Let us check again. Cos of xy, derivative of cos of xy is minus sin of xy into derivative of xy. Okay, we are right. Now dy by dx you take common from here. So when we take dy by dx common, you will get what? Sin 2y minus x into sin of xy minus y into sin of xy to that side, will go to that side, so y into sin of xy. So finally dy by dx is equal to y into sin of xy upon sin 2y minus x into sin of xy. This is what dy by dx. Now coming to next question number 8, sin square x plus cos square y is equal to 1. Okay, sin square x I can write what? Sin x the whole square cos square y, I can write what cos y the whole square. Okay, so this is in the form of fx raised to n. What is the derivative of x raised to n? N into fx raised to n minus 1 into f dash x. So this will be 2 into sin x raised to 2 minus 1, that is 1, into derivative of sin x, that is cos x. With respect to x, dx by dx will be 1. Plus, again it is a composite function, cos y the whole square, derivative will be 2 into cos y raised to 2 minus 1, that is 1, into derivative of cos y minus sin y into derivative of y with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to derivative 1 is 0. So from here 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x minus 2 sin y cos y is sin 2y into dy by dx is equal to 0. Okay, so minus 2 sin 2y dy by dx will go to that side. So that will be sin 2y dy by dx is equal to sin 2x. So therefore dy by dx is equal to sin 2x upon sin 2y. So this is what dy by dx.